Good evening, one and all. My name is Vinith Kumar Vemla from TPSA. Today I am going to tell company review session about L&T. Contents: Introduction, vision, details of management, products and services, growth of the industry and company revenue and income, statement analysis, SWOT analysis, awards and CSR activity, latest news about the company, conclusion. Introduction. Company: Larsen and Toubro, founded 1938, Mumbai. Founders are Oak Larsen and Christian Toubro. Category: Construction Services. Areas of worldwide. Sector: Calgometers. Key people are A.M. Nayak, Group Chairman, and S.M. Subramanian, CEO. Target group: Technology, Engineering, Construction and Manufacturing Project prominently. Targets: Indian projects. Vision and mission: L&T shall be professionally managed Indian multinational committed to total customer satisfaction on ensuring stakeholder value. L&T shall be involved in entrepreneurial and empowerment team constantly creating value and attaining global benchmark. L&T shall foster a culture of careful trust and continuously learning while meeting expectations of employees, stakeholders, and society. To complete and growth in globalization business environment, L&T implementing a strategic plan Lakshya 2020 to 2050 plan has been drawn back up consultancy within a leading international travel consultancy. It has set ambitious growth target for each business, create long-term value for the customers throughout the superior product structured by capitalization on knowledge pool. These are the key members of the L&T. Uh, at the top, A.M. Nayak is the group chairman and S.N. Subramaniam is the uh, CEO of the company, and these are the board members. Growth of the industry and company. According to global data, manufacturing sector and infrastructure as one of the highest growth sectors, 23.73% contributes to Indian GDP. The Indian construction industry regains its growth momentum in 2000, helped by positive developments in the economic condition, improvement in investor confidence, and investment in transportation, infrastructure, energy, and housing projects. The country output value has increased 464.9 US billion dollars in 2007 and 505.7 billion US dollars in 2018. L&T report 21% in jump profit 8,905 crores in 2019 growth approved dividend of rupees 18 per equity share and 18% growth in revenues. Product and services. L&T provides construction, heavy engineering, hydraulic, shipbuilding, electrical and automation power. Coming to the construction, buildings and factories, transporting infrastructure, civil and water water and effluent treatment, element, power transmission and distribution. Process plant, nuclear power plant, defense aerospace, hydraulic cylinders, joint, radical position forms customization hydraulic system, shipbuilding, new construction defense shipbuilding, new construction commercial shipbuilding, ship repair, repairs and midlife upgrades, electrical low voltage products, compact sustainable intelligent software solutions, control and automation, electrical switches and control system, coal-based power plants, gas-based power plant, power, thermal power. Coming to these are the L&T projects. This is a metro rail project which is constructed in Telangana, Hyderabad, and this is the ICICI Bank. This is the Sardar Vallabhai Patel statue, and this Wankhede Stadium, and it is Lotus Temple, and it is IDEC City. Which these are the prestigious projects undertaken by L&T. Major competitors to L&T are Reliance Infrastructure Limited, Hindustan Construction Company, GMR Infra, Jaiprakash Associated Limited, Punjab Royal Infrastructure, GVK Power Infra, Lanco Infra. Over 84,000 plus employees, superior quality products, weakness, dependence on domestic operations for revenue generation, increasing debt impact, financial flexibility, opportunity, strategic joint ventures, strengthening business, growing Indian construction and engineering industry, government coming up with PPP model, threats, pressure from government, expensive environment regulations, government and sustainability. Coming to L&T income data, these are the L&T data from 2010 to 2018, and this is the balance sheet data of L&T company. You can see current assets, current liabilities, inventories, etc. Awards and CSR activities. Awards in 2012, ninth in global rank in the world of the most innovative company. 2013, 14, 15 Golden Peacock Awards for L&T power and excellence in corporate governance and risk management. 2018 rank among the world's best employers for wives. 2000 L&T list Asia's most honored companies list. CSR activities, skill development center, mobile medical van operating in Mumbai slums, focus on the science and technology labs in government schools, education supports to government schools. Latest news about the company. L&T announced quarterly results, net profit up to 45.7%. L&T has secured a prestigious residential project from CID CEO. L&T Construction earned back contract for Navy Mumbai International Airport. Conclusion. Ranked among 2009 leaders in the prestigious Global 100 list by the International Association of Outsourcing Professionals and wholly owned subsidiaries, $9.8 billion Larsen & Toubro Indian, leading engineering to financial service organization. Their new emerging vertical includes media and entertainment and life sciences and healthcare. Larsen and Toubro Infrastructure Limited, one of the fastest growing IT sector companies, is ranked NASSCOM among the top software and service exports from the India in 2009. Their other services offers business analytics, legacy modernization, application outsourcing, architecture, PLM, and service-oriented architecture. Thank you.